Hey y'all, hey, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you this Outre Everywhere in the style Every 6. I got her in the color Chocolate Frost. I absolutely love the curls right out of the packaging. The part definitely needs some work, and so I went off camera and plucked the part, which you will see later. But she has soft lace, a comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and 2 combs up at the front. So as you see here, I overplucked big time, y'all. Oh yeah, crazy. I don't know what I was thinking, but I mean, this wig is only $20, so you know, no love lost. I'm not tripping. I'm gonna have to use some lace tint spray. I definitely went in and tinted the lace. It needed it. It looks much better. And so here I'm just zhuzhing up, you know, the curls a little bit. It's giving, you know, fresh blowout. I really love how that looks. So here I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I don't have any brown mascara, so I'm just gonna use this black mascara to kind of conceal that big old gap I left in my part when I was trying to pluck it. It's just gonna have to do for now. It's fine. Again, $20. You can't beat $20. I absolutely love the bang on this wig. I was like, I need to add some hoops in just to give it a cuter look. Kind of felt like it was humpy at the top a little bit, so I'm using my curling iron right here. Gotta make sure the thing don't burn me. And I'm going to flatten out the top a little bit just to give it a more natural look. That looks much better. This is a definite everyday wig. You can literally just throw it on and go. You don't have to lay any lace down. That's what I really like about this wig. So this unit, I should say, along with the cute bang that it comes with. I'm absolutely obsessed with the bang. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for joining. See y'all later. For me.